Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting accurate base geometry into Rhino. This is why scale and units matter. Import the DWG/DXF or trace an image, then lock the base layer so you don't move it accidentally. Once done, set Rhino units to mm or feet and enable grid snapping to 0. 5 or 1 for consistent inputs. Make separate layers for walls, openings, and furniture. Assign contrasting colors and line weights so you can visually parse the plan while modeling. You now convert lines into physical elements. Use offset CRV to create wall thickness quickly and cleanly. This is faster and more accurate than redrawing. For intersections, use Boolean or trim operations to resolve overlaps. This keeps geometry valid for later extrusions. Once walls are set, place door and window openings using Boolean difference or cut plane so openings are true cuts. Make sure to use fillet or chamfer for rounded corners where needed, and keep every element on its designated layer for clarity. You finish by extruding walls to the correct height and adding floor slabs with planar SRF. This turns plan geometry into a coherent model. Once done, add dimensions, room labels, and hatch patterns, then export to DWG or PDF at the target scale so consultants can use it. If something goes wrong, non-manifold edges or missing faces, run check, rebuild edges, and use split or join to repair topology. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can revert when troubleshooting complex fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.